Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for meetings. First, create a new, dedicated page for each meeting you conduct. Consider using a pre-built template to ensure consistency across all your discussions and save valuable time. Structure your page with clear sections for the meeting agenda, a list of all attendees, and a dedicated area for action items. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute and provides a solid foundation for highly productive sessions. During the meeting, focus on capturing essential information, record key discussion points, and all decisions made clearly. Crucially, assign action items directly within Notion, specifying the owner and a clear deadline for each task. Leverage Notion's interactive features, such as checkboxes for tasks and @mentions to tag team members, ensuring everyone stays informed and accountable. This keeps your notes dynamic and actionable. After the meeting concludes, promptly share the notes with all participants. This ensures everyone has a shared understanding of outcomes and responsibilities. Actively track the progress of all assigned action items directly within Notion, updating their status as work progresses. Regularly review past meeting notes to maintain continuity and provide valuable context for future discussions, fostering a more organized workflow. For advanced use, integrate your meeting notes with existing project databases in Notion. Consider creating a master meeting database to centralize all your discussions, making them easily searchable and accessible. This approach significantly improves team collaboration, enhances accountability, and ensures that valuable insights from every meeting are never lost, leading to more efficient and productive teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.